In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can create your drop-down list from an existing data on the same sheet right here in Google Sheets. So if you want to create an existing data into a drop-down, there are two ways you can do this. The first one would be to just select that range. So in this example, I have this data where the category is repeated on this first column right here. So if I wanted to quickly create or turn this into a drop-down, what I can actually do is to just select that range, not including my headers, then right-click. Once you right-click, here are all your options. And if you scroll down, you will see your drop-down right here. If you click on this, that would quickly turn your existing data into a drop-down with all the unique values already summarized as your options for your drop-down right here. So that is your data validation rules. On the right side, again, here are the unique values from that range. So we have appliances, electronics, furniture, gadgets, and office supplies. If I undo that, you'll see that is what it used to look like. So repeated values on the same column, and those unique values are extracted and turned into your drop-down selection right here. And there you have it. So if you also wanted to change the colors for each drop-down just to make it stand out some more, you can do so right here. So that's one way to do it. Another way would be to actually just turn your entire data set into a table. So how do we convert our data into a table? What you're going to do is to just select everything, then right-click again, and select Convert to Table right here. If we click on this is what it's going to look like. So we have a working table right here where we can quickly filter, sort, categorize our data into different column types. And that's exactly what we're going to do with our first column. So with our headers, we have these drop downs right here where it will give you more options on what you can do with your columns. So at the top, we have our edit column type, and one of the options would be drop down. If we click on this, it will do the same thing of converting our existing data into drop downs, extracting all the unique values and turning them into options for your drop down. And there you have it. That's how you can create a drop down list from existing data on the same sheet here in Google Sheets. Now, if you still need extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.